If somebody is just missing one tooth, why a dental implant over a traditional bridge?
If a single implant is the most natural procedure to perform. Replacing a single tooth is more natural than shaving down additional teeth and giving them a bridge. When you restore a single implant, what are you doing? You're essentially preserving bone as well. You're guaranteeing that that individual does not lose any more bone. So what happens when you lose a tooth? You immediately start the process of losing bone. So by giving a patient back that tooth, you are stopping, you are preventing the further loss of bone. So you place the implant, bone is stabilized, and what have you done? You've given them back a natural feel and a single tooth without having to shave down additional teeth.
How long do they last?
Essentially, we find that implants have a 99% efficiency rate. They last essentially, as long as you take care of your teeth, they should last you a lifetime.